Welcome to Online Tools Master. Today, we're exploring Signature to Stamp Converter, the world's simplest online tool for turning handwritten signatures into professional digital stamps created by Browserling. This powerful tool lets you upload a scanned signature or photo and instantly convert it into a clean PNG stamp. To access this tool, open your browser, search for onlinepngtools.com, and navigate to Signature to Stamp Converter. Inside the tool, you'll find options to upload your signature and select the exact area you want to convert. You can choose between rectangular or circular stamp shapes, adjust the width and height, and add padding around the signature. You can also control the contrast to make the signature darker or lighter, apply dithering to simulate real ink texture, and adjust ink strength to create a faded or stamped effect. Additionally, you can customize the ink color, background transparency, border style, thickness, and even rotate the stamp to any angle. The final output can be downloaded as a high-quality PNG file, ready to use in documents. Now, let's explore 3 examples in action. Example 1. Creating a rectangular signature stamp of Thomas Jefferson's signature. Here is the input where we uploaded a scanned handwritten signature of Thomas Jefferson. We selected the rectangular signature stamp option and adjusted the selection area to fit the signature properly. We added a small padding around the edges to improve spacing. Next, we set the contrast to 100% to make the signature darker and clearer. To create a realistic stamp effect, we reduced the ink strength to 70%, which adds natural gaps similar to real stamped ink. We set the stamp color to black and the stamp background to transparent. We also added a border with rounded corners and set the thickness to 4 to create a clean professional look. The result is a well-defined rectangular signature stamp that looks like it was stamped on paper. Click Save as to download the result. Example 2. Creating a circular signature seal from Jeanne d'Arc's signature. Here is the input where we uploaded another signature image of Jeanne d'Arc's. This time, we selected the circular signature stamp option and adjusted the dimensions to center the signature within the circle. We added a thicker border with a thickness 12 to give it an official seal appearance. Then, we reduced the ink strength slightly to create a subtle aged effect. The output is a clean circular stamp that resembles a formal seal, commonly used for approvals and official documents. Click Save As to download the result. Example 3. Creating a transparent signature stamp from a Frida Kahlo's signature. Here is the input where we uploaded a signature for document use. We selected the rectangular signature stamp option and kept the background color set to transparent, so the stamp can be placed directly on top of documents without any visible background. Next, we adjusted the visibility and contrast to balance clarity and softness. We also applied a slight rotation to give it a more natural, hand-stamped appearance. The result is a transparent signature stamp that can be easily used on PDFs, contracts, and digital files without affecting the background. Click Save as to download the result. Before we wrap up, here's something powerful to remember. Signature to Stamp Converter isn't just about converting signatures. It's about creating reusable, professional digital stamps that save time and improve consistency across all your documents. Whether you need a simple signature, an official seal, or a transparent overlay, this tool gives you complete control over the final output. Stay tuned for more powerful tools, and don't forget to check out our other videos on add shadow to logo and add text to stamp. Try the Signature to Stamp Converter yourself at onlinepngtools.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful tool tutorials.